Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can fix a microphone when it's not working on our Windows 11 devices. And so for that, we will just be doing 4 simple steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. So the first step is to run a disk check and update group policy. So to do that, we need to open the command prompt window and run some commands. So here, the Windows search tab, type CMD, and then you will get under best matchy command prompt option. Here in the right section, you will be getting this run as administrator option. So please make a click on that, and then you will be getting this user account control window. Just please click on yes to proceed with this black window, and then here we need to type GP update. And then once you're done typing this one, just please click on enter. After that, we need to click or type CLS. So it's still updating policy. Let's just wait for it to be finished. Now we need to type CLS to clear the command or clear the window, and then click on enter. And then here we need to type CHKDSK space C colon. Now if you're also using a different drive, all you need to do is just to replace it. After this one, just please click on enter. And this is to check the C drive for errors. So let it completely check and automatically fix any disk error. So after it's done, just type exit and then press enter to close the command window. So after doing this one, just please make a quick restart with your device. See if the problem is already fixed after the restart. So the second step is to use the command prompt to run the system system scans. So to do that, simply do the same thing. Type CMD and then you will get under best match the command prompt option. Proceed with this run as administrator option. And then here you will be getting this user account control window. Just please click on yes. And then in this black window, we need to type SFC space / scan now. And then click on enter. So it will begin the system scan and this process will take some time. So let's just wait for the verification process to be done. And once it's done, just close this window and then make a quick restart with your device. After the restart, see if the problem is already fixed. And the third step is to check microphone settings in privacy settings. So please open your privacy settings. So please make a right click here in the Windows icon, select the settings option, and then proceed with the privacy and security option. Now, once you're in here, all you need to do is just to go to the microphone. Now, once you click on this one, all you need to do is just to make sure that the microphone access is turned on. And if you want also for certain apps to have access with your microphone, all you need to do is just to make sure that the button here is turned on. And once it's off, just please make a click on that so that it will be on. Okay, so after making sure that this section is now after making sure that the apps has access and the microphone access is turned on, all you need to do is just to close this window, and then this time we need to enable and adjust microphone and sound settings. So just close this window and then we need to open the control panel. So please make a type here in the Windows search tab and type control. You will be getting under best match the control panel option. Here we need to search for or look for the hardware and sound. Now if you're not setting the view by options into category, please do so. So please make a click first here in the view by options, select category, and proceed with hardware and sound option. Now in here, all we need to do is just to go to the sound option. And under playback tab, we need to make a right click on the speaker icon, this one, and then make a right click and then select the enable button. If it's disabled, select the enable button. After doing that, just make a right click on the recording tab, and then please make a right click also here in the microphone option, and then select the properties. Now here we need to go to the levels, and please make sure that the microphone is set to the maximum or even above the 50. So please drag this button here. Just drag the button, and then the microphone is now set to maximum. The next thing you need to do is to apply the changes by clicking this apply button here and then click on OK. And just make a quick restart with your device. Check if the microphone is now working. So these 4 methods can help resolve the microphone issue on your Windows 11 device. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.